po ma'am, ang napili ko po sa syllabus is stress at work. At work is a psychological response to demands and pressure in the workplace that exceed an individual ability to cope. It's not simply about workload, it's about the perception of workload and the individual's resources like skill, support, at iba pa. Ito, to manage it, stress can manifest in various ways, impacting both mental and physical health. Nature of workplace stressor. Yan po dyan ng workload, work pressure, role ambiguity, role conflict, lack of control, work-life imbalance, organizational factors, conflict and interpersonal relationship, tapos physical work environment. Tapos, ang consequence man da po sa workplace stress, mental health problem, physical health problems, reduced productivity and performance error, increased employment turnover. Tapos, stress at individual difference. Individual respond to workplace stress different due to range of factor. What stresses one person might not bother another. This is because individual differences influence how people perceive and cope with stressor. Ang sa factor of contributing to individual differences in stressor, yan na po yun ang personality, coping mechanism, tapos social support, prior experiences, physical health, perceived control, job satisfaction, tapos sa managing individual differences in stress response, yan dapat ay ang understanding this individual difference is crucial for effective stress management. Organized should be offer a range of support services and resources tailored to individual needs and preference. Siya handa po dyan ng stress management training, employee assistance program, flexible work management, improved communication and feedback, promoting a positive work environment. Yan lang po. Thank you po.